Hello guys, in today's lecture we discuss two important points. First, method of preparation of Aryl halide, and second, physical properties of alkyl halides. In our syllabus there are two methods of preparations of Aryl halide. First one is halogenation reaction. Halogenation reaction. Addition of halogen is known as halogenation reaction. Condition: halogenation of benzene takes place in presence of Lewis acid. In presence of Lewis acid like Fe or FeCl3 or anhydrous AlCl3 in dark at ordinary temperature. For example, chlorination and bromination take place in presence of Fe or Lewis acid in dark. Example first, chlorination or bromination. Addition of bromine is known as bromination reaction. Example, bromination of toluene. Methyl benzene is known as toluene. Toluene on reaction with bromine in presence of Lewis base like Fe or FeCl3 or anhydrous AlCl3 in dark at room temperature gives a mixture of ortho-bromo-toluene and para-bromo-toluene. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, अतिशय सिंपल रिएक्शन. मिथिल बेंजीन is called commonly known as toluene. This reaction is an example of electrophilic substitution reaction. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, with respect to methyl हा हायड्रोजन ॲटम ऑर्थो पोझिशन आणि हा जो हायड्रोजन ॲटम आहे with respect to methyl para position. Toluene on reaction with bromine Br2 in Fe as Lewis acid dark gives a mixture of ortho bromotoluene and para bromotoluene. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, in this reaction hydrogen atom of ortho position or para position is replaced by bromine. B. Iodination. Addition of iodine is known as iodination reaction, but due to formation of HR, iodination reaction is highly reversible reaction. Hence, iodination required, condition is very important, iodination reaction required in presence of strong oxidizing agent HiO4 in HNO3 nitric acid. For example, toluene on reaction with iodine in presence of HrO4 and HNO3 gives a mixture of ortho-iodotoluene and para-iodotoluene. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, in this reaction also hydrogen atom of ortho or para position is replaced by iodine. Hence, this reaction is an example of electrophilic substitution reaction. Now, second method of preparation, Sand-Meyer's reaction. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, Sand-Meyer's reaction आपल्याला अत्यंत डिटेल मध्ये 13 नंबर चॅप्टर अमाइन्स मध्ये स्टडी करायची आहे. In Sand-Meyer reaction, diazonium group is replaced by corresponding halogen atom. Now second one, Sand-Meyer reaction, Sand-Meyer's reaction. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, in Sand-Meyer reaction, Aryl halide prepared from diazonium salt. In this reaction, action of halo acid like HCl or HBr in presence of cuprous first salt, that is in presence of CuCl or CuBr. Now very simple reaction. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, just I told you, in this reaction diazonium group is replaced by halogen atom. For example, benzene diazonium salt on reaction with HCl in presence of cuprous chloride gives chlorobenzene. Similarly, diazonium compound on reaction with HBr in presence of CuBr gives bromobenzene. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, in this reaction diazonium group is replaced by corresponding halogen, chlorine or bromine, and liberation of nitrogen gas. In this way, there are two methods of preparations of Aryl halides. Now today's second topic, physical properties of alkyl halide. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, जनरली फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज मध्ये आपण कोणत्याही कंपाऊंडचं कलर, ओडर, मेल्टिंग पॉइंट, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट असे पॉइंट्स एक्सप्लेन करत असतो. नाउ सेकंड टॉपिक today's lecture, physical properties of alkyl halide. Physical properties. Now first physical properties, nature of intermolecular force. Nature of intermolecular force. Consider CX bond. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, CX bond is covalent bond. But the sharing pair of electron is not present in the center, shifted towards more electronegative halogen, because we know halogen are more electronegative than carbon. As a result, sharing pair of electron is not present in the center but transfer towards more electronegative halogen atom. As a result, carbon atom acquires fractional positive charge, halogen atom acquires fractional negative charge, and we know whenever fractional charges are developed on bonded atom, bond become polar. Hence, alkyl halides are moderately polar compound. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, second physical property we discuss, bond length. What is bond length? It is the internuclear distance between two bonded atoms known as bond length. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, we know if we move top to bottom, that means fluorine to iodine. If we move top to bottom, that means fluorine to iodine. As atomic number increases, atomic size also increases. As a result, distance between two center of the nuclei also increases. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. If we move top to bottom, atomic size increases from top to bottom. As atomic size increases, bond length also increases. For example, carbon fluorine bond, carbon atom, fluorine atom we consider here. Second, carbon atom, chlorine atom. Third, carbon atom and bromine atom. And fourth, carbon atom and iodine atom. Carbon, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. That means bond length increases. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, bond strength depends on bond length. We know bond strength is inversely proportional. Bond strength is inversely proportional to bond length and directly proportional to polarity. आता विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, consider example. If we consider bond between carbon and halogen for alkyl group methyl. Now observe this table: methyl chloride bond, carbon bromine bond, and carbon iodine bond. Bond length in picometer 139, carbon chlorine 178, carbon bromine 193, carbon iodine 240. As bond length increases, bond enthalpy decreases. Now very important point विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, bond strength is inversely proportional to bond length. Now third one, boiling point. We know boiling point, the temperature at which vapor pressure of liquid becomes equals to atmospheric pressure. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, boiling point depends mainly on 4 factors. Boiling point mainly depends on 4 factors. Now we discuss one by one. First factor, polarity. First factor, polarity. Second one, intermolecular force of attraction. Force of attraction. Third, surface area. Surface area. And fourth, van der Waals. Van der Waals force of attraction. Van der Waals force of attraction. Van der Waals force of attraction. आता विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट्स डिपेंड्स ऑन मेन 4 फॅक्टर्स. Polarity of compound, molecular mass, surface area, and magnitude of van der Waals force of attraction. आता विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण 4 वेगवेगळ्या केसेसमध्ये बॉइलिंग पॉइंट कंपेअर करणार आहोत. फर्स्ट कंपेरायझेशन, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ अल्किल हलाइड ग्रेटर दॅन करस्पॉन्डिंग अल्केन. Why boiling point of alkyl halide greater than corresponding alkane? विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, we know alkyl halides are more polar compound than alkane. And second, molecular mass of alkyl halide greater than corresponding alkanes. आणि म्हणून boiling point of alkyl halide greater than corresponding alkane. Now we consider second comparison. Second comparison, विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, जर सेम अल्किल ग्रुप असेल आणि हॅलोजन ॲटम वेगळं असेल तर कोणाचं बॉइलिंग पॉइंट अधिक असेल, ग्रेटर असेल? नाव कन्सिडर दिस टेबल. हॅलो अल्केन, अल्किल ग्रुप इज सेम, मिथिल ग्रुप, मिथिल फ्लोराइड, मिथिल क्लोराइड, मिथिल ब्रोमाइड, मिथिल आयोडाइड. आणि विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, वी ऑब्झर्व दॅट बॉइलिंग पॉइंट increases 194.6, 248.8, 276.6, 350.4. Why it is happened? विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, here molecular mass and magnitude of van der Waals force of attraction is affected. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, we know as we move top to bottom, that means chlorine to iodine, atomic number increases automatically, atomic weight also increases. Hence, molecular mass increases from left to right. As molecular mass increases, the magnitude of van der Waals force of attraction also increases. Hence, boiling point increases. Okay? Now we compare third point. जर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो हॅलोजन ॲटम सेम ठेवला आणि अल्किल ग्रुप चेंज केला, फॉर एक्झाम्पल ऑब्झर्व दिस टेबल. हॅलोजन ॲटम इज सेम, क्लोरीन. नाउ कंपेअर boiling point of compound methyl chloride, ethyl chloride, N-propyl chloride and N-butyl chloride. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, as we move top to bottom, number of carbon increases. Here 1 carbon halide, 2 carbon halide, 3 carbon halide, 4 carbon halide. As number of carbon increases, automatically molecular mass increases. Hence, boiling point also increases. Now fourth one, विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो fourth one, two isomer. Now we consider same number of carbon and same number or same halogen. For example, विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो 3 कार्बन अल्किल हलाइड N प्रोपिल ब्रोमाइड आणि आयसोप्रोपिल ब्रोमाइड. आता विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो for N प्रोपिल ब्रोमाइड boiling point is 375 and for isopropyl bromide boiling point is 364. That means boiling point of isopropyl bromide is lower than N-propyl bromide. Why this happened? विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, branching and unbranching also affect boiling point of alkyl halide. Dear friends, we know branching leads decreasing surface area and decreasing van der Waals force of attraction, and therefore as branching increases boiling point decreases. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ब्रँचिंग मुळे सरफेस एरिया डिक्रीजेस आणि जेव्हा सरफेस एरिया डिक्रीज होतो ऑटोमॅटिकली बॉइलिंग पॉइंट सुद्धा डिक्रीज होतो आणि म्हणून विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो आयसोप्रोपिल ब्रोमाइड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट लोअर दॅन N प्रोपिल ब्रोमाइड. Now next physical property विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो solubility. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो जनरली polar compounds are soluble in polar solvent and non-polar compounds are soluble in non-polar solvent. Solubility. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो any compound is soluble in water only when that compound can form hydrogen bonding with water. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो alkyl halides are insoluble in water. Although alkyl halides are moderately polar, there are two reasons behind it. First, alkyl halide does not form hydrogen bonding with water, and second, the force of attraction between alkyl halide molecule is greater than alkyl halide and water. Therefore, alkyl halides are insoluble in water but soluble in non-polar organic solvent. Similarly, aryl halides are soluble in organic solvent. Now today's lecture, last physical property, fourth one, melting point. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, we know the temperature at which solid substances are made. That temperature is known as melting point. Melting point for particularly dihalo compound depends on three factors. Melting point, particularly dihalo compounds, depends on three factors. Now, before considering these three factors, consider the example. Melting point of orthochlorobenzene is 256 Kelvin. meta dichlorobenzene is 249 Kelvin, while para dichlorobenzene is 323 Kelvin. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, why melting point of para compound is higher than ortho and meta compound? Because first, para compound is symmetrical structure, symmetrical compound. Second, easily packed in lattice structure. And third, very important, third one, para compound have stronger intermolecular force of attraction. As a result, higher energy is required to overcome these forces. Hence, para compounds are para dihalo compounds higher melting point than corresponding ortho and meta dihalo compounds. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण अत्यंत इम्पॉर्टन्स 2 पॉइंट्स स्टडी केले. फर्स्ट, मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अरिल हलाइड, ज्यामध्ये आपण 2 मेथड स्टडी केल्या. ए, हॅलोजिनेशन कंडिशन इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ लेविस ॲसिड. Second, Sandler's reaction in presence of cuprous first salt. त्यानंतर आपण विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीमध्ये आपण फर्स्ट इंटरमॉलिक्युलर फोर्स, नेचर ऑफ इंटरमॉलिक्युलर फोर्स. सेकंड, बॉन्ड लेंथ. थर्ड, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. फोर्थ, मेल्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ डायहॅलोजिनेटेड ॲरोमॅटिक कंपाऊंड स्टडी केले. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, बॉइलिंग पॉइंटमध्ये आपण अल्किल हलाइडचं कंपॅरिझन केलं. सेकंड वन, आपण सेम अल्किल ग्रुप असेल आणि हॅलोजन ॲटम वेगळा असेल त्याचं कंपॅरिझन केलं. थर्ड वन, नंबर ऑफ कार्बन ॲटम इन्क्रीजेस, मॉलिक्युलर मास इन्क्रीजेस, हेन्स बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इन्क्रीजेस. अँड लास्ट वन, जर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो ब्रँच अल्किल ग्रुप असेल तर मात्र branching haloalkanes have lower boiling point than unbranched alkyl halide. And last, melting point मध्ये आपण स्टडी केलं विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, para compounds have higher melting point than corresponding ortho and meta compound because para compound is symmetrical. Second, easily packed closed lattice structure. And third, intermolecular force of attraction is higher. Thank you.